A few days ago, I did a breakdown on how to do a similar ceiling fan transition, but then I saw this video, which got over 800,000 views, and it's much more realistic than the other ones. So to make this, just create the original ceiling fan transition, go back like 2 or 3 videos and follow the instructions. Then all you'll do is just tap the ceiling fan layer, use your fingers to make it bigger, then tap effects and search for blur, extend it so it lasts the whole timeline, then tap object and select the fan and adjust the blur amount. Then tap the ceiling fan layer, adjust brightness, and then turn it down. And now it looks awesome.